Hello, I welcome you to this training. In this training, I'll be taking you through the Python syntax and how to go about Python development. Um, we are going to be starting by, first of all, whenever you are trying to write any new programming language or any file, you try to arrange it in files. In folders, sorry. So I have created a folder here and I called it my teachings. So I'm going to create a file. Let me call it main.py. Of course, all Python files ends with .py. That's .python. And by doing so, the Python engine can easily recognize the file. All right. Now, like I said before in the previous lesson, that Python is a multi-purpose programming language. The Python is different from other programming languages in the sense that Python uses what we call white spaces and indentation to arrange its work. So we're going to be looking at the syntax of Python. So we're going to be first of all printing our first software on Python, which is called Hello World. In most programming language, we usually use Hello World to start our programming language. So we are going to do that. So we use print to display on the Python console, and it's a function. It's a method as well as a function. Of course, I'll be showing you what it is. Now, within these parentheses, I can use single quotes, quotations, or double quotation. And anything I write here is going to be printed in the Python console. So simply, if you are using Visual Studio Code, you can simply click on this place to run it. So it displays your terminal. And if you look at this place, you can see that it has printed Hello World. Another way you can actually run a Python file is by, once you are done with the file, you can go to this place and click on terminal and then click on new terminal. Let me push this one aside. So click on here and terminal and then new terminal. Now your terminal is going to display. I'm going to close Python terminal and I'm going to use PowerShell in this. So to use PowerShell, what I will do now is I'll call on Python because I want to work on Python, and then I'll call on the name of the file. And the name of the file in this case is main.py. So if I hit enter, it's going to print Hello World. So this is one other method of running your Python. You can as well use any other terminal that you have. It's not a must that you'll be using PowerShell. You can use Ubuntu, you can use Git Bash. Okay, let's also try the Git Bash. In Git Bash, we still do the same thing. Call on Python because we are working on Python, and then the name of the file that we want Python to work on. And this is it, Hello World. So if I make any changes here, Hello World 345, okay, and I actually run this Python file again, it's going to print the changes that I've done in this file.